going to need some help trying to figure out how to tell my fiance that, about this, considering we're getting married in 2 weeks. So a lot happening simultaneously. She's probably not going to believe me for at least a couple hours, so I'm going to need some pictures and proof. Thank you so much, Commissioner Dr. Murphy, all the representatives from the foundation. It's an honor to meet all of you. And I think I'll say that every day when we come to work, we don't expect recognition, at least not recognition like this, but we do it because we care about our students. We do it because we're professionals. We do it because we want to see a better future for our society and for our country. And that goes for all of the teachers in this room. And I would ask that all of the students right now show your appreciation and your recognition for all of the tremendous professionals that I have the pleasure of working with every single day. Thank you. I'm a better teacher because of you. It's rare that I finish out the day and think, that was a perfect lesson, or every day I strive to be better. And I know that the same can be said for every single teacher in this room right now. We all strive every day to do better and be better for all of you. It's just a tremendous honor. It's not one that I'll ever forget. And I hope that the foundation continues just doing this type of work because it's so important to appreciate and recognize our very, very incredible educators, many thousands, hundreds of thousands of whom go unrecognized every day. So thank you so much.